Today we're here to celebrate one of our amazing volunteers as a Great Westerner from GWR. Gill Clay is our beaver leader in Cowbridge and also the granddaughter of Robert Baden-Powell. She's going to be nominated as a Great Westerner by Great Western Railway to celebrate all of the work and the things that she's done in the community for Scouting.
My name's Joe Graham. GWR has a programme of naming of its new intercity express train fleet called Great Westerners, where we choose people who are an inspiration to people in the West, and Jill was absolutely one of those people. And scouting is so important to us at GWR that we thought it was the right time to take the opportunity with 100 years to celebrate that now.
My goodness, this is an amazing day and I can't believe it's happening, but thank you very much to Great Western Railway for this astonishing honour. Trains spread across the world, scouting was spread across the world. Robert Stevenson, my grandfather's godfather, and my grandfather, Robert Stevenson Baden-Powell, would have been amazed at how their inventions and their dreams have spread across the world.
It's wonderful that a train has been named after ScoutsCymru and Gill Clay to recognise the brilliant work of over 18,000 members of Scouting in Wales. We're excited and we're so proud that this train will be going all over the place with Gill's name and the ScoutsCymru logo, recognising that we're celebrating that 100-year milestone of doing brilliant things for young people across Wales.